understand, protests are happening at the moment outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. That is, my colleague Mohit is also getting us more details about the same.
Finally, the FIR was being logged, and under which it has been stated under the medical examination which has come out that finally Swati Maliwalji, she has uttered a word and she has told, and in the medical examination also, she has been beaten up, badly beaten up in the private parts area as well.
But the question is that Bibhav Kumar is still seen with Arvind Kejriwal. Not a single statement for Arvind Kejriwal. A woman who was a former DCW chief, a sitting member of parliament. Isn't this shocking that the party has completely come to...
It is very much a state of shock. Every woman of this country, whomsoever is watching this video also, right inside this same house.
What is this message? What is this message? Putting bangles over here outside.
Bangles, we just want that Mr. Kejriwal, he should wear these churis, these bangles, and he should sit at home. क्या बात करते हैं? दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री, his wife Sunita Kejriwal, she was also sitting inside, where she keeps befooling the people, the public, with all her tears, all the crocodile tears. And where the picture comes out that a member of parliament, she has been beaten up in the same house and she was sitting over there.
So there you see women over here, they're putting all these bangles over here. These are the members of the women wing of the BJP. They basically say that no action is being taken against Bibhav Kumar, and instead, in a brazen act, he was seen with Arvind Kejriwal and Sanjay Singh at the PC, and you can see that how they're snoggling over here. They're basically saying that an action should be taken, and they put all these bangles. Look at these visuals over here. They put all these bangles over here just outside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal.
All right, that is my colleague Mohit Bhatt who's getting us those details of these protests that are currently happening outside the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. Clearly, BJP takes the protest to Kejriwal's house and they are upping the ante. High drama was also witnessed. In fact, you're looking at two sets of visuals on your screens right now. We'd leave it at that for the moment, but